Today's job lead is a customer service job. This is a remote full-time job. This is pan-India job. So job location is India. The company's name is Cloverleaf. Here are all the details mentioned. And this is an operations profile which is non-IT. And the profile's name is customer service representative. This is a very good opportunity for people who already have some experience uh, in customer service roles and who are looking for remote job opportunities or work from home opportunities. Now here the company is looking for a customer representative with 2+ years of experience for their operations group, and this is a remote position located in India, pan India. You do not have to only be from a tier 1 city, and as long as you have reliable electricity and reliable broadband internet, then you are encouraged to check the rest of this job posting. So if you are from India, you can apply for the job. Now the work timing is a US shift, and so you will be required to work from 9 p.m. till 6 a.m. in the morning IST time, Monday to Friday. And this is a work from home position, and you are not required to commute anywhere. Here it is written that this is a 100% remote position and you will need to have a reliable high-speed internet connection. Staying continuously connected is a core part of our culture, and we thrive in a virtual real environment during the workday. So you need to be connected throughout the day while working. Now let's check out about the job description. So here it is written that are you an outgoing customer service professional with 3+ years of experience looking for a promising career in service management and coordination? We are a rapidly expanding healthcare services company in the US and looking to hire a customer service professional to support our growing needs with scheduling shifts, customer service, and human resources functions. We would love to speak with you if you have excellent spoken and written English skills, have a college degree, and are motivated self-starter with outstanding time management abilities, and experience in customer service in a teamed environment is required. If you match this profile, have a strong background in a team environment, and are looking to make a career working for a progressive US healthcare company, then we would love to talk to you. So this is a US based healthcare firm, and they are looking for customer service professionals to join their team. And so here you will be working full-time from home during the US day shift. As I said already mentioned, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. IST time, Monday to Friday will be the work timing. And here is a list of job duties. As a customer service representative, you will be required to schedule and coordinate day-to-day activities of healthcare workers. You need to screen and hire caregivers. Okay. You need to communicate regularly with field staff, develop strong interpersonal relationships, promote the employer's brand, and ensure that we retain the best talent. You need to staff client shifts by matching the best caregiver with each client. You need to take initiative to build strong rapport and relationships with US-based team members. You need to manage the service delivery platform. To meet company standards, you need to answer phone calls and provide excellent customer service. You need to prepare daily and weekly staffing reports. You need to support payroll functions. You need to provide HR support to healthcare workers. And here are the requirements mentioned. The job requirements include you need to have experience in a customer service role. You need to have fair communication skills in English, both spoken and written is a must. You need to have expert level customer service with documents, sheets, and web applications is a must. You should have excellent problem solving skills. You need to be detail oriented, highly organized, dependable, and multitasker. You need to be self-starter with superior time management skills. You need to have excellent customer service skills with phone with US or UK consumers. You must demonstrate crystal clear phone call voice quality and clear HD video quality using home office equipment. During the hiring process, you should have dedicated home office space. You should have the shift timing will be 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. IST time. You should have a strong work ethics, respectful and a professional attitude towards work. Now here are the perks and benefits mentioned. Although the company has not mentioned the compensation for the job, for the profile, here they have written that they will be providing competitive pay and promising career advancement opportunities, working for a professional organization with industry leading processes and cutting edge technology. Permanent work from home is a positive, friendly, and fun work environment. Training, education, and progressive startup work culture with exciting opportunities to learn new skills, tools, processes, and technologies you can explore to your limits. Receive recognition and lucrative incentives from management. And education, in terms of qualification, you can hold any UG or undergraduate degree. Now here is the application process. Here it is written how to apply. So here they have mentioned that please respond with a complete resume and cover letter using the apply to position button on this page. Candidates must have a laptop or a desktop with a webcam, headset, and high-speed internet connection to appear for a video interview. Do not apply more than once for this position because it may result in your application being rejected. And so here's the process mentioned. After you apply, you will receive an email with a link to a page where you can tell us more about yourself. This is a required step for you to complete in order to be considered for this position. So after you fill up the application form, you will receive an email from the company, and where you will be required to answer some of the questions that they have asked. And after reviewing your response, the company will then email you regarding next steps. For all correspondence regarding your application, continue to only use the email ID that you used initially to apply to this position. Do not provide multiple email IDs in your application. So they will be sending you emails through this while correspondence through this email ID, and you need to also take care of your spam folder if like any of your emails are like landing up in the spam folders, and you have to keep that in mind also. And okay, and here they have written that you will receive an email from us at each step in the process. We meet qualified candidates who have progressed to the interview stage in our remote hiring process. Now, if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply for the job. And here's the application button. Now, this is the application form that you can fill. You can upload your resume, and you need to provide your name, email ID, phone number, address, and work experience, and information related to your qualification, then experience summary, cover letter. And then how did you find out about this position? Have you worked remotely for a previous job, and how long? Was it only occasional remote work, or were you permanently working from home? So they are okay. You need to provide all the answers to the questions. Describe your home and work environment for the work hours listed for the position. Will you have interruptions or other distractions working from home during these hours? In which region of the world are you located? Okay, so you need to provide your country, that is India. This job is for Pan India. Location, and all emails from us will come from the email address listed below. These emails can sometimes, okay, so they have also asked you to check your spam folder to find the emails that they will be sending. And okay, so after filling up the application form, you can submit the application form, and that's it. So I think this is a great opportunity for people who already have customer service experience, and this is a non-IT position, and this is a fully remote work from home position for Pan India location. So if you are from India and you are looking for some remote job opportunities, you can check out the opportunity. You can check out all the details, and if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.